Leaving any living creatures in a locked car in the summer, it's quite dangerous. But what about average things, just things that you shouldn't leave in a locked car? So it's all about heat and cold. When you lock your car in summer and the sun is shining, the temperature inside your car can reach 180, 200 degrees Fahrenheit or about 90 degrees Celsius. This is about the temperature that the water starts boiling, so it's really hot. I mean not air, but of course the panels, your steering wheel, your panels, they will get to the temperature of the boiling water. So what about the things that you shouldn't leave in your car when you lock it? First of all, it's aerosol cans. So any cans, like paint cans or maybe some chemicals, you shouldn't leave anything of that in your car when you lock it, because if this can heats up, there is a very high chance that this can will explode, and whatever is inside this can will be all over your car. In some cases, you will not even be able to clean this after that. The second thing is your phone, laptop or tablet or whatever electronics, because all the things have batteries inside them, and batteries hate when you heat them up and they may die. Also, if your phone or tablet will be located in a place where it will get direct sunbeams, it's quite possible that it will melt, something will melt inside it because of this high temperature. So never leave your expensive iPhone or whatever you have in the car when you lock it. The third is not that obvious: sugar drinks, so fizzy drinks. When you leave these in your car in winter, it may be quite dangerous for your car interior, because they can freeze, and when a fizzy drink like Coke or something freezes, it expands and your can or bottle may be just exploded. And after that, when this fizzy drink will heat up a little, maybe in the morning or when the sun shines directly on it, there will be a chance of melting, and then you will have to pay for cleaning, which is quite expensive. And there is also one more thing: if you leave a drink in a plastic bottle in your car when it's hot outside, there is a chance that the plastic bottle will heat up to the dangerous temperature, and it will give some toxic elements to your water, to your drink, and then when you drink it, you will get poisoned. Not to the extent when you will need some medical help, but you still don't want to get this influence if you can avoid this. Then the fourth thing is any open food, because there are also a couple of things that can happen. First of all, the open food in high temperatures will give a lot of smell. It will stink actually, and your car will stink after that, and you will not be able to do anything but professional cleaning, which is quite expensive. And then there is a second thing: if you leave some open food that you're going to eat after that, there is a problem. This food will be spoiled in a matter of minutes, maybe hours. It will be spoiled because of the temperature, and the bacteria will grow and all the things. And when you eat this food, there is a very high chance that you will be poisoned, and in this case you actually may need some medical help. And then the fifth thing, which is quite important, it's medicine. Like when your medicine is in pills, it's gonna be okay. But if your medicine is in liquid form, there is a very high chance that you shouldn't expose it to high temperatures. And when you leave it in a locked car, it will be automatically exposed to very high temperature. And just in an hour or two, it may be spoiled, and you will get no effect when you take this medicine. So never leave your liquid medicine, whatever medicine, in your car when you lock it.